As we've seen over the past few years, consumers are spending more and more time on their mobile devices, over 3 hours per day on average. And when it comes to e-commerce, the vast majority of page views and sales are now occurring on consumers' iPhone and Android devices. So this is a major trend. However, if you look across the industry, over 99% of consumer brands and manufacturers don't even have a native iPhone or Android app.
And the reason that they don't have one is that it's very expensive, costs many millions of dollars, and takes a very long lead time to build these apps. Of course, here at Stackline, that's a problem we're super interested in solving. And for the very first time ever, we have built a mobile app platform that allows brands and manufacturers to deploy native iPhone and Android apps directly from the Stackline suite of tools.
The best way to showcase this technology is with a live example. So let's take a look at the iPhone app built by Rocco and Roxy using our platform. I've pulled it up here on my screen, and I can see that the entire app is branded for their particular brand. And not only is this an iPhone app, but it's full featured. It's got a full suite of capabilities to engage shoppers. So what I'll do now is maybe just highlight a couple of the capabilities. First and foremost, in the upper right-hand corner, I can see they have a full messaging and inbox capability where they can automatically message customers and prompt them to write reviews, or maybe ask them to come back and make repeat purchases and things like that on their previous orders. As I scroll down further, I can see some other capabilities here within the app. They can even survey their shoppers, right? If they're trying to do research on building better ad creative or maybe better content for their PDPs, you can see exactly, how they're reaching out to their customers here. I won't go through the entire survey just for the sake of time, but it's a beautiful user interface, and it makes it easy for shoppers to go through and answer questions and essentially give feedback to the brand. I'll exit out of that. As I scroll down further, we've also built in affiliate technology that's going to make it really easy for their best customers to quickly generate affiliate links. I just click that button. If I copy this link here, I can now text this link to you. If you opened it and made a purchase from the Rocco and Roxy brand from any major retailer, I would earn an affiliate commission on that sale. So it's the first multi-retailer affiliate technology in the industry. As I keep scrolling here, I'm able to connect my different retail accounts wherever I shop. That way, I get credit for any Rocco and Roxy purchase I've ever made from Walmart, Target stores, Amazon, Chewy, or other major retailers. Last but not least, let's take a look at the actual multi-retailer checkout technology. So I'll pull up an individual product here, the jerky sticks. Of course, I can scroll through and look at all the different PDP images and videos. Further down, I can see the different retailers that actually have listed this particular product. I'm going to choose to add it to my bag from Amazon. That's where I do most of my purchasing, right? And I want that Prime same-day shipping, which is really great. Of course, I can scroll further down the page and explore other rewards or other activities that are available for me, as well as read, the full bullet points and product description, which is great. I'm going to go ahead and go to my cart. And you can see I've got this individual item added to my bag. This is really helpful because this is so much more powerful than where to buy technology. It's not just a link that sends me away, to a retailer site. I'm actually going to make a purchase here within the Rocco and Roxy app, even though this order is going to get placed by Amazon. If I hit checkout, you can see that we have an AI agent that's in the background placing this order on the shopper's behalf. So the first thing it's doing here is it's checking to make sure that this item has enough inventory available in stock. And it sees that I'm only going to place an order for a quantity of 1. The next thing it's checking is it's looking at all of the different delivery options that are available to me. Because I placed this order from Amazon, it's looking, can it deliver it same day, next day, etc. And then it's going to prepare my order summary for me. You can see it's pulled in my payment method already, my billing and shipping address. You can see I'm going to get the product delivered tomorrow for free because it's delivered by Prime. And I'm even going to earn a $1.60 reward on this particular order. So now I'm going to go ahead and confirm the order details here, and it's going to place the order for me. And now that you can see it's actually completed my order, I have my order ID from Amazon, which is the retailer. I'm going to get this product delivered on my doorstep tomorrow for free via Prime shipping. And I even earned some additional rewards on this particular purchase. So it's a great experience from the end consumer's perspective.
And wow, you just listed an incredibly rich list of features. You talked about surveys, messaging, affiliate technology, multi-retailer checkouts. And last but not least, what I see is the brand would have collected all of the first-party data. They didn't have to pick and pack that order. They probably had higher margins selling directly without having to do that. I mean, this is an incredibly rich list of features and benefits for the brand or manufacturer.
You're absolutely right. This technology is very powerful because it allows brands and manufacturers to have their own native iPhone and Android app on their shoppers' devices, which is a huge transformation from how they're going to market today. And they're able to collect all the customer first-party data that's going to help them better understand their shoppers, enhance all their advertising and marketing efforts, and so much more. And maybe the last thing I'll mention is they can build these native brand apps very quickly. In less than a week, they can have a full-featured app ready to go live in the App Store.